What's up, guys? It's your boy A Surfer here. Gonna do a fish recipe today. So I got a nice fish here, snapper. Just cut a couple. And then just score the fish. Okay, we got some nice salt. It's my Hawaiian sea salt. Ideally, you want to sprinkle it, on the cavity, everything, but. And then we got some ginger. I like to cut it into matchsticks. Stick some in the belly. You're supposed to steam this dish, guys, but I don't have a steamer, so I'm gonna try doing MacGyver. And stick all that ginger in those slivers that you cut. So I got it in this foil here. I'm gonna try it for the first time. I don't know what's gonna happen. And you want to put some underneath too, so that the steam rises itself. Ginger in the steam. I'm gonna try to just put water in this pan. I got holes in the foil, and hopefully that'll do it. So, ideally, you want to steam it, but I don't have a steamer. So I'm gonna pour some water in there, throw it in the oven, and see if that works. In the meantime, we can cut up some green onions, and we'll be back. While we wait for the fish, guys, I must do a quick rip. So I bought one of these today. I broke down. I know I said I wouldn't buy tops, but not expecting much. But I thought there's nothing else I restocked, so I figured I'll just try one of these. I love the yellow cards this one. All right, let's get into it, guys. Rodriguez. Tyler Black, rookie, Jackson Merrill. Oh, lots of rookies, man, in this stuff. Wow, there's a lot of rookies. I'm impressed, Tops. That is a lot of rookies. Baseball guys, please help me out. Hey, we got a holiday. I know that's a good one. The first holiday. I think his name is Jackson Holiday. I don't even know from all the videos I watch. Cannon, Chafin, Haddock, Cruz. And now we're getting into the good stuff. Lipscomb, Trey Lipscomb, Milner. Winker, Sanchez. Come on, give us a yellow Wemby. That's really what I wanted. Kyle McCann, rookie. Connor Phillips. Holy cow, we got stumped hard. See, this is why I did not buy tops, guys. This is why I did not buy tops. I'll stop grumbling. Love you all. Have a good night. And back to the cooking. Okay, guys, we're back. It actually works. We're going to open this up. And then I drained the water out the bottom, but there might still be some water. So I'm going to take this foil, put it like that. And I'll take our fish and put that right on the other foil. Just doing this so the sauce doesn't mix with the water. See, there is some water in there, so I'm going to just dump that water out. And we're going to drop this in. So just to hold the sauce away from the water. Yeah, that's a nice fish there. Yeah, and then now we got some nice chopped green onions. We can put it over the top. Fish. I love to eat the eyeball, guys. I will eat the eyeball. And then we got some we got some soy sauce. Pour that on the fish. getting some smoking hot Pinot oil. And that's it, guys. That's the fish right there. Just serve it with white rice and eat it. Scoop some of that sauce, pour it on. It's really good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Have a good night, guys. Hey surfers, Opakapaka. Chinese style. Hey surfer out.